love watching YouTube videos but don't want other people to see any of your information? If yes, then this video is made for you. While you're here, don't forget to press subscribe to see more videos and content like this. To begin, open YouTube on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're here, press the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page, and here just press Manage your Google account. Once you're here, you can see at the bottom part of your page the option to use YouTube signed out. This will automatically allow you to watch other videos without showing your profile information. Another option you can try is by again pressing the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and then press Turn on Incognito. As you can see here, incognito means that all of your information, your activities will be inactive or turned off so other people will not see it. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.